what's up, hog hunters? Welcome back, Single Hook Hogs. How y'all doing? Once again, we're down here southeastern Pennsylvania. We're over here in Aston, PA. We got a little something different for you. Went out and pulled out one of our trusty, faithful companions. We got that Shimano Stradic C14, baby, 1000 series. There he is. Brother gave us that as a gift. We're gonna be pairing that Okuma SST 5.6 Ultralight. That's nothing new, but you said chartreuse Trout-Magnet. That's right, y'all. Trout-Magnets up. We're gonna be running them Trout-Magnets today. We got a couple different colors: chartreuse, pink, red, gold, black, silver. We got the whole gamut. Worms on the other side. But anyway, we're gonna be running that chartreuse right there. As you see, no sinker, straight to the line. And that's an 8-pound fluorocarbon leader that we're tying it to. We got 20-pound Field and Stream buried backing. So, hey, we're gonna be going ahead, throwing that thing in, and we're gonna be pairing it not with the normal Trout-Magnet worms, but the trusty Berkley Gulp pinch crawler. There it is. Berkley Gulp 1-inch pinch crawler, man. You can find them things Walmart. You can find them pretty much anywhere that you can find fishing tackle, bait, everything. But take a little closer look. There it is, Berkley Gulp pinch crawler combined with that chartreuse Trout-Magnet or any other color variation. Anyway, y'all, stay motivated, keep it tight. Hopefully bang something cool for y'all. Fish on. Ooh-wee, first fish of the day, y'all. Fish on, finally. Wow, what is that? That's something. He's coming right in now. Don't feel too heavy. Ooh, that's a nice little rainbow. Damn. Right on that Trout-Magnet hook. Wow, that's a Husker, y'all. That is a Husker. Chartreuse Trout-Magnet, baby. Berkley pinch crawler. Wow, look at him. Look at him. Oh, we get him on the net here. Oh shit, I hope you don't get off. Wow, that's a nice fish, y'all. Holy shit. Wow. Whew, where y'all see him? Look at that, y'all. That is a nice one. He's a big one. Whew, that's a healthy rainbow. Little shark action. Get them back in. All right, y'all, as you can see, we got that chartreuse Trout-Magnet and that Berkley Gulp pinch crawler, and this is a real easy rig. We're just gonna go ahead, flip that Trout-Magnet, take the top of that pinch crawler, loop it down dead center, as you can see right there, and we're gonna go real deep on that pinch crawler because I like to leave a little curl at the bottom. You'll see at the end. And right there it is, y'all. That's that Trout-Magnet with that Berkley Gulp pinch crawler, and these things do catch fish. As y'all can see, these aren't optimal conditions that we're fishing. However, I do love fishing this type of water. Most of the people I know laugh me away when I tell them I'm going fishing on days like this, but I have caught some of my favorite fish in this water. But I do just want to touch base on two things. You know, it is coffee, you can't see, so wading in the water can get very dangerous. You have a lot of logs and debris floating downstream that you can't see. Also, I tend to try to run as heavy as a leader as I can get away with. You saw earlier we're running an 8-pound leader today. Fish can't see it as good in this type of water, and you have all that debris floating down, potentially hitting your line. Could snap a 2-pound line very easily. So on days like this and in general, I try to say fish what you can afford, you know what I'm saying, as heavy as you can go, but don't be afraid to step down and don't be scared of that 1 or 2 pound fluorocarbon. Fish on, fish on. Oh, it's a Husker. Oh, it's a Husker, I can feel it. Oh, wow. Ain't as big as the last one, but he's all right. Wow, that's a nice little fish. Little guy. He's just fighting like a ton of bricks. Look at that lip hook, bro. Look at this hook job. He's a pretty little guy right there. Wow, look at that rainbow, y'all. Pretty little rainbow. I'll get him up and out of there. This bite is few and far between, but they're in there still. All right, y'all, there you go. Nice little rainbow for you. So how y'all liking that Stradic, baby? Yeah, that thing is a Ferrari. It's beautiful. My brother gave it to us as a gift. Don't fish it much anymore because they have been discontinued and they are expensive. They replaced it with something called a Van Ford, which I know nothing about, but I know I love that Stradic. Anyway, you saw us fishing that 8-pound leader. Yeah, that's a bit heavy. But as I said earlier, fish what you can afford. On those darker days, you can get away with a little bit heavier leader. You got stop signs and sticks and all kinds of gnarly debris coming down the stream. You kind of want to have as much as possible, but don't be afraid of those 4-pound, 2-pound, 1-pound fluorocarbon leaders. Yeah, the knots are a little different, but the fish will bite on that stuff. But as I said before, fish what you can afford. But usually I like to stick with something 4 pounds or less at a 0.008 diameter. So anyway, stay motivated, keep it tight, y'all. All right, y'all, we've had a slow day today, but we want to try some of the slower moving water up under this bridge before we took off. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Oh, that's a rainbow. Oh, there we go. Wow, that's a nice one. Oh, wow, look at this. Well, you see the red on this one, yo. Holy shit. It's a beautiful fish, y'all. This is a beautiful fish. I gotta get him in the water before that Trout-Magnet breaks on me. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh my God, look at that thing. Holy Jesus. That's a Husker, man. Holy wow, y'all, look at that. Look at that beautiful fish. That thing gnarled the Trout-Magnet. All right, let's just go ahead and take a look. That's what the worm looked like, right? It's just gnarled, destroyed. Anyway, sorry, got the GoPro. Look at this hook, y'all. I don't know if you can see it. Look at the hook. He mangled it. Mangled it. Thanks for checking us out. We hope you enjoyed that fish. As we said earlier, not optimal conditions, but some of my personally favorite days to fish. I've caught some of my absolute favorite trout on these days. That is kind of a gnarly rainbow. But anyway, y'all, remember we're giving away 2 free rods, a free Akuma SST at 100 subscribers on YouTube and a free Akuma SST at 100 followers on Instagram. We're also giving away a free Dragon's Egg at 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So like, subscribe, share, follow us on Instagram at SingleHookHogs. And if you want to reach out directly, you can do that at singlehookhoggs@gmail.com. Anyway, stay motivated, keep it tight, stay tuned till next time. Single Hook Hogs out, baby.